Okay, friends, so we're going to do a beehive counting game. So, you're going to need a writing utensil. It can be any writing utensil you'd like to use. Two pieces of paper, so one, and then I have one over here off camera also. And it can be any colors that you want. And then pom-poms if you want. I'm going to use pom-poms. You'll see in a minute why I'm going to use pom-poms. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to draw an easy beehive. So in the bottom right hand corner of the paper, I'm going to draw kind of like an igloo shape, but I'm going to make mine a little taller. So it'll look sort of like an upside down oval shape. And then a really small little kind of like entranceway for the bees. And then you're going to draw some lines on your beehive to make it look more like a beehive. And draw them however you want. And then if your children want to color it, you can let them color it if you want. But I'm not going to color mine right now. And then the top left-hand corner of your piece of paper, you're going to draw a bee with wings and a little stinger. And just do the best you can. Mine may not look exactly like a bee, but that's okay. And that's kind of like what I did. Okay, well, in the camera, it looks like it's on the right side, but when you're laying it down on the table, it's on the left side. Okay, and then you're going to draw 10 circles going from the bee all the way to the beehive, and you need to spread them apart. You can kind of move them sort of around like a maze if you want. So this is I kind of just scattered mine around like every which way that I wanted to. And then the next thing you're going to do is take your other piece of paper. I've already ripped mine out and done this, but you'll take your other piece of paper and you'll rip 10 pieces of paper. And if you're not going to use pom-poms, you can also rip 10 more pieces of paper. So you would rip 20 pieces of paper instead of 10 if you're not going to use pom-poms. And on the first 10 pieces of paper, you're going to write a number. So you'll write like 1 on one piece of paper, then the number 2 on another piece of paper, and go all the way down to 10. So that's kind of like what I did with these. See, like I wrote the number 10. And then after you do that, you'll flip them over to where you can't see the numbers. And then you'll kind of make sure that you mix them up so that they're not all 1 through 10 in a row. And then you'll draw a number. So I drew the number 3. So that means I take 3 pom-poms, or if you're using pieces of paper, 3 pieces of paper. And I start with the first circle that's closest to the bee, and I'll put, and this is where you'll have your children use their fingers to like pick them up and put them down to kind of work on their fine motor skills. So they'll use their fingers to pick them up and then place them on the circle. So then they'll count. So that'll be 1, and then they'll take it and they'll put it on the next circle. So that'll be 2, and then they'll take it and they'll put it on the next circle, and that'll be 3. So I think you can kind of see in the video what I did. So 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. So the next number I got, and you're going to do this until you get all the way to the end where the beehive is. So the next number I got is 6. So I'm going to take 6 pom-poms, 1 on one circle, and then the next one, 2 on the next circle, 3, so the next circle, the number 3, then the next one, 4, then the next one, 5, and then the next one, 6. So I need one more circle to get my bee all the way to the beehive so it can make honey. So I just need the number 1. So I need to get the number 1 to get my bee all the way to its home. So I got the number 4. So I won't be able to do it yet. So I need the number 1. I got the number 8. I still can't move. Got the number 2. I still can't move. I got the number 7. I still can't move. Oh, I got the number 1. So my last pom-pom is going to go on that last circle closest to my beehive. So after you get done with that, then you're going to have your children count each pom-pom or piece of paper and see how many there are. So, and feel free to help them. So you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pom-poms. And that's how you do the game. Bye, friends. I can't wait to see you.